everyone to Niki B English with Niki and
Simba.
Today we will start lesson 12. What do you think?
오늘 우리는 12단원 What do you think?를 배울 것입니다.
Our objectives today are to learn the following expressions. This book looks interesting. What do you think? I think so too. And I don't think so. There will be 4 parts.
4가지 활동을 해볼까요?
First, vocabulary.
첫 번째, 어휘를 배워봅시다.
Second, sentences.
두 번째, 문장을 익혀볼까요?
Third, let's practice.
세 번째, 익힌 어휘와 문장을 연습해봅시다.
And fourth, let's review.
네 번째, 복습해봅시다.
Are you ready? Let's get started! First, vocabulary. Listen and repeat in English and Korean.
단어입니다. 우리말과 영어를 듣고 반복해봅시다.
Boring,
지루한,
scary,
무서운,
smart,
똑똑한,
think,
생각하다,
interesting,
흥미로운,
fun,
재미있는,
expensive,
비싼,
cheap.
싼, 저렴한.
Second, sentences. Listen and repeat in English and Korean.
이번엔 문장입니다. 우리말과 영어를 듣고 반복해봅시다.
This book looks interesting.
이 책은 흥미로워 보여.
What do you think?
넌 어떻게 생각하니?
I think so too.
나도 그렇게 생각해.
I don't think so.
나는 그렇게 생각하지 않아.
Third, let's practice. This book looks.
This movie looks.
What do you think?
What do you think?
This looks.
This looks.
This looks.
This looks.
Fourth, let's review. Today we learned
오늘 우리는 이것을 배웠습니다.
the expressions. This book looks interesting. What do you think? I think so too. I don't think so. Please review your words and sentences.
단어와 문장을 복습해 주세요.
Thank you for joining us. See you next time. Goodbye.